Am I the only one who spent hours on a logo, only for nobody to care? Stop blending in. Let's make your brand unforgettable. Ready for some game-changing tips? Here's the truth. Most brands get ignored not because their product stinks but because their branding does. Think about it. If your message sounds like every other best-in-class business, why would anyone remember you? There are 3 main reasons customers scroll right past your brand. First, your message is too generic. Saying you care about quality is like saying water is wet. Get specific. What makes you actually different? Second, you're all over the place. If your Instagram looks like a rainbow and your website is black and white, you're sending mixed signals. Consistency is what makes a brand trustworthy. Stick to a look, a voice, and a message. Third, you talk all about your products, but not about your customer. People want to know, how does this solve my problem? Focus less on features, more on feelings. So how do you get noticed? 1. Nail your message. Answer, why pick you? In a single clear sentence. 2. Be the same everywhere. Visuals, words, vibe. 3. Give value up front. Teach something, make them laugh, or solve a problem, before you ever ask for a sale. That's the secret sauce. Memorable brands don't scream the loudest, they connect the best. Closing, don't stress about being small, worry about being forgettable. Make your message clear, stay consistent, and always deliver value first. For more no-nonsense marketing tips, follow Digify Squad. Let's make your brand impossible to ignore.